At the beginning of the pandemic, we prioritized our limited testing availability to ensure that our sickest patients and their caregivers and first responders were able to receive tests. We progressed about who can be tested. As more testing became available, we've added more and more groups of people, those in nursing homes, those with underlying health conditions, those with symptoms. We continue on that path today. Today we're expanding testing to include anyone in the state of Ohio who wants a test. Let me repeat that. Anyone who wants a test in the state of Ohio can now get a test. We very much had a scarcity, kind of a scarcity mindset, and we still are working to expand our capacity. But we are making progress. And so we want everyone to look at this. I know we've emphasized a lot that they were restricted, but now what we're saying is it's open, and we would encourage you, if you want to get a test. Testing is a very important weapon in our arsenal, and we continue to wage war against a very real enemy. So starting today, if you'd like a test, you'll be able to get one. For example, if you've been around a lot of people and you're worried that you may have contracted the virus, worried that you might be exposed, you could get a test. Maybe you've spent time around someone recently who is sick. Maybe you've even taken care of them. You can get a test. So we're encouraging anyone that wants a test to talk to their health care provider or contact a testing location to arrange a test. By understanding who is sick, whether they're showing symptoms or not, we're able to better prevent the spread of COVID-19. You see the map here on the board. As we announced recently, we added an interactive map to our coronavirus website. So you can go on our coronavirus and website and you can see locations of where you can get testing. This map that is up there right now shows testing locations across the state for retail locations, CVS, Rite Aid, Walmart, Kroger, Walgreens. The map also includes community health centers that you can contact to determine where their tests are being performed. So on this map, what is blue is the community health centers. They are not all of them are performing tests at that location. But if you contact any of them, they can tell you where the nearest one is that will be performing tests, and they can tell you when those tests can be performed. You can call ahead, or you can click on the links to learn about each testing site's testing procedures. Now, we're going to continue to add to this, and we're encouraging anyone who is out there, whether it's a doctor's location, any other place that's doing testing, to let us know so we can add to this list. These organizations and retail sites are great partners. We appreciate the work that they're doing. In fact, CVS announced they're adding 7 new Ohio testing locations beginning tomorrow. So we thank all our partners for expanding access to COVID-19 tests. Today I'm announcing we've added 2 new features to the map. First, we've added a form that providers can fill out to let Ohioans know that they are providing tests. The form is on the web page right above the map. Fill it out and we'll add you to that map. In addition, we've added pop-up testing locations. Our Minority Health Strike Force has teamed up with the Ohio Association of Community Health Centers and our Ohio National Guard to offer pop-up testing across the state, and this will begin tomorrow. These are the locations for tomorrow, and these are in Columbus. Thanks to the help of our local partners, Primary One and Heart of Ohio Family Health, there'll be 6 pop-up locations around Columbus where anyone can come and be tested. We picked these locations to make it easier for those living in underserved areas to access a test, but anyone can come and be tested on Friday, tomorrow. Those 6 locations are listed on the website. And I know from talking to the mayor, Mayor Ginther, that they have other sites and other locations as well. These temporary, what we call pop-up sites, will be available all over the state. So watch for the locations. But in the coming weeks, we'll have more pop-up locations in Cincinnati, in Cleveland, in Portsmouth, Dayton, Xenia, Columbiana, and in Akron. And we'll have those. We'll try to give you the notice on this press conference, but also that information will be available on our webpage. We're going to continue even after that to add more locations and more sites. And we again appreciate the great work of the Ohio National Guard. The website, again, is coronavirus.ohio.gov, coronavirus.ohio.gov. You can click on testing and community health centers to find those. Again, COVID-19 testing is now open to everyone in Ohio, even if you're low risk and not showing symptoms. We want those who want to be tested to be able to get tested.